In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook account in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll have your Yahoo email added to your Facebook account so important Facebook notifications and recovery messages can land right in your Yahoo inbox. First, sign into Facebook using either the Facebook app or the website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to connect. From the Facebook homepage, open your settings. On desktop, click the small downward arrow in the top right corner. On mobile, you may see a menu icon open that, then look for Settings Privacy. Tap or click Settings to continue. Inside Settings, locate Account Center. It's where Facebook manages profile and account details across its apps. Open Account Center, then choose Personal Details. Next, select Contact Info. This is where you can add or update the email addresses connected to your Facebook account. Now tap Add New Contact and choose Add Email. Carefully type your Yahoo email address. Take a moment to confirm there are no typos. An extra character or a missing symbol will prevent the verification from working. When you're sure it's correct, submit it. Facebook will immediately send a verification code to your Yahoo Mail inbox. Leave the Facebook screen open and switch to Yahoo Mail. Open your inbox and look for the message from Facebook containing the code. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and then check your spam or junk folder. You can also search your Yahoo Mail for Facebook to bring the message to the top. If you use filters or categories, check those as well. Once you've found the email, copy or note the verification code and head back to Facebook. Enter the code exactly as shown and confirm. If the code is correct, Facebook will verify it and your Yahoo email address will be added to your account as a contact method. That's it. With your Yahoo email verified, Facebook can send notifications and important account recovery details straight to your Yahoo Mail. This is especially helpful if you prefer managing all communications from your Yahoo inbox or want an additional way to secure your Facebook access. Remember, the layout or labels in settings can change slightly over time, but the path remains the same: Settings Privacy, Settings, Account Center, Personal Details, Contact Info, Add New Contact, Add Email. If everything verified successfully, you're all set. You've connected your Facebook account to your Yahoo Mail by adding and confirming your Yahoo address on Facebook, ensuring you won't miss important messages. Thanks for watching.